So this is the physical senses, to be able to be closer to what we see, hear, smell, taste, touch, and also it will be the mind sense, what's going on in terms of what we think, reflect, are distracted by, dream, remember. Just being with the ordinary is what is, and being with the extraordinary is what is, and those two things can be the same.